How to send Solana from Phantom wallet to Bitget. Before we start, if you are interested in securing your cryptocurrencies, you can check out Ledger's hardware wallets by clicking the link in the description below. So start by opening up your Bitget wallet first of all, and then click on the wallet again on the bottom right, and then click on the deposit option. Now you will have three options. You can select any one of these, but you just need to select deposit digital assets on the top of your screen. Now I need to search for Solana, but make sure to click on all mainnets on the top right and select your Solana. Now once you do so, you just need to make sure to go for the first one, which is Solana again, and then you just need to copy your wallet address. Now once you do so, you can simply open up your Phantom wallet, and then you're gonna need to simply click on the send option. Select Solana and make sure to paste your wallet address and click on next option. Enter the amount, make sure to start with a smaller amount. Always remember, whenever you do a test transaction, it can be like a peace of mind that you will gonna receive ultimately, like $5 or $10 first of all, and then you can proceed for the $100 worth of transaction minimum. So hope this helped. This is how you can send Solana from Phantom wallet to Bitget.